Hi, I'm Michael McMurtrey, food stylist for Ingles Markets. Cinco de Mayo is right around the corner and one of the best times of the year for a great party. Today I'm going to show you how to make my colorful rainbow guacamole. Ingles has everything we need and I'm excited to share this beautiful recipe with you. Let's get started. We're going to put this all together now. We've got some great guacamole from Ingles, which is just fantastic. I don't know if you've ever had it, but you could eat it straight out of this container and be as happy as you could be. But I'm going to show you how you can dress it up a little bit if you're taking it to a party or for the game or something, and makes it just a little bit more special. So you got this guacamole in the bowl, and now I'm going to add some things to make it rainbow guacamole. I've got some mango that I've chopped up into cubes. I'm going to put some of that in there, about a half a cup. I've got some yellow corn. Put some of that in there. Red tomato. And some purple onion. This was already chopped at Ingles, makes it all much easier. Just mix that up. Look at all the color you're adding to this guacamole. You don't have to mix it too much, just enough to get it incorporated. That's it. And now just put it into your container and serve it with blue tortilla chips. The other thing I like to do is reserve a little bit of what I put into the guacamole and sprinkle it on top. So take a little bit of the purple onion, take a little bit of the red tomato, the mango, and the corn, and now it's beautiful. You've got this beautiful and tasty dish that everyone's going to love. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. I look forward to sharing more beautiful and delicious dishes with you. See you next time at inglestable.com.